Still adjusting prices manually? Missing competitor price changes? Blizzard AI. Let AI price for you. One-click install. Three-step setup. Import products, set guardrails, pick a strategy. Done in 5 minutes. Your command center at a glance. Products, competitors, AI tips, revenue forecast, real-time monitoring in one view. AI auto-discovers and tracks competitors. Amazon, Walmart, eBay, all platforms covered. Price drops, stockouts, you know first. AI analyzes elasticity, demand, competition, recommends the optimal price with expected ROI. One click to apply, synced to your Shopify store. More than 15 built-in strategy templates, one click to activate. Match, undercut, premium, clearance, set per category, fully automated. See exactly how much AI earns for you. ROI over 1,000%. 7 languages supported, built for global sellers. Blizzard AI. Enterprise-grade intelligence. SMB-friendly pricing. Greater than start your free trial today.